Alright, so if you're new to Roblox, you might be wondering how to zoom in or zoom out. Or maybe you accidentally pressed something on your keyboard and now your character is stuck super zoomed in. Yeah, it happens. So let me show you the quick and easy way to fix that. First method is super simple. If you want to zoom in, just press I on your keyboard. If you want to zoom out, press O. That's literally it. Pretty easy, right? A lot of players already know this, but if you're new, this is probably what you are looking for. Now here's the better way, especially if you're in the middle of a game. Instead of looking down at your keyboard and trying to find I or O, just use your mouse scroll wheel, scroll forward to zoom in, scroll backward to zoom out. It's way faster and way more convenient during gameplay. And yeah, that's basically it.